Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to work with a presentation in Google. The presentation of our community action project. Here I am in Edmodo, yes, and I click on the presentation and you enter the share presentation. Es la que empezamos a armar en la Zoom lesson last Friday. So this first slide is the first slide of the presentation, Community Action Project, Global Scholars. We are going to start a presentation with our presentation. Yes, we are at General Lavalleja School. In the second slide, you have the presentation of the theme, recycling and reusing objects at home. Yes, and here you have some different ideas. You can add more photos or pictures here. From number 3 to 4, 5, 6, etc., you have the names of the different students in the class, right? This is my slide of the presentation, Miss Gabby, and this will be the model of your presentation, all right? So, for example, you can, this is the title, yes, you can, for example, in the title, you can change the color of the fonts. You go to, you go here, you can see you can change the color of the text, for example, say blue, yes. You can write more text here. I wrote, I took an empty glass, marmalade, and I reused it to keep Marcella herb tea. Yes, this is what I did. And this is my video. I recorded this video with my cell phone. Yes, and then I sent the video from my cell phone to my computer. And then when it is on your computer, you can add it from here. Insertar video. Yes, and you can use Google Drive if, for example, I have my video in Google Drive. Yes, so I selected my video from here. You can, for example, enter another video from YouTube, yes, or from your computer. You can also insert audio files. You can insert images, yes, photos that you take, for example, with your cell phone, and then you put your photos in Google Drive, and then you can insert them. Yes, for example, if I want to insert a photo, yes, supposing I want to insert this one, yes, then I can do it, okay? And then also you can use the camera, yes, camera here. And for example, I permit this, yes. And well, I wanted to take a picture, but I couldn't. So, well, you can change the background, yes, the color of the background, for example, this one. You can choose an image, yes, supposing I want, here I have some images, yes, for example, here, supposing I want to choose this one, yes, done. Takes a minute. well, I can change again the format of. You can add lines, for example, this one. Yes. Okay. Well, you can do whatever you want. Be creative. Yes. And if you want more help, let me know. Me avisan si necesitan más ayuda. Pero cada uno, la idea es que vayan completando la diapositiva que le toca con una foto o un video de el objeto que van a reciclar o reutilizar desde casa. Insertan la foto o el vídeo y explican en una oración sencillita en inglés qué es lo que van a reciclar. ¿Yes? Si hay alguien que necesita ayuda para eso, me dice. O pueden también ayudarse entre ustedes, entre compañeros. Usen las herramientas de Google, usen los diccionarios para poder hacer una linda descripción de lo que ustedes van a hacer. Bye bye, see you.